terminal. I'm fixing to drop this trailer. Start getting all this work done. That blue truck right back there, that's one of our Southeast Regional guys. Well, try it that way. I'm fixing to go take a nap, is what I'm fixing to do. But it's dragging. Sure enough. I'm not even going to fasten these down. Off of here for them to weld, but I ain't getting loose without pulling that. Oh yeah, my dog, she takes her turd sniffing very serious. She's gonna have every turd around here sniff before we leave. I guess I'm just gonna pull up like I own this place. They may make me move or make me back in, I don't know. I pulled in last time, but I'm just gonna stop and find out. Come on through. I ain't gonna run you over. Well, I'm going in. He's gonna rotate the front, and then I'm gonna flip around and he's gonna do the rear. That hose in the way? No? Okay. Good enough. Y'all, one of the guys just came over and asked if they could turn my APU off because it was squealing, and they didn't like it for 5 minutes, but yet I've had to put up with that crap every day, and the drivers that were parked next to me. Well, I have made it into the assessment bay, so we'll see what we can get done here. Hopefully it won't take too long. It's 7:35, so it took 1 hour and 35 minutes to get my tires rotated. But we get our alignment next. It is fixing to come a storm. So we are done here. I got a whole laundry list of stuff that I need done. I'm gonna have a bunk heater PM, get all that cleaned, and especially with Roxy and her hair, it just falls through the bunk down in there. I blow it out, but still, I don't want to be without heat. And he said my deer guard is loose. I'm gonna have it tightened up. I got to get my APU repaired. I've got an air leak somewhere on this tractor. I think it's the leveling valve for my fifth wheel is sticking. I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out. And hopefully I can just find somewhere to park right over here. I'm gonna get that door seal replaced, the APU fixed. look he just gave me for. I ain't scared of you, driver. Oh, good, there's a spot right over here I can just pull through and wait. Unless nobody's in there, then I'll go ahead and pull up. That's the plan. Is anybody in there? Yeah, he's got somebody in there. We'll hurry it up and wait these few minutes. Well, I have made it in to the alignment bay. It's another $195 gone, but we're in here getting it done. Well, that's what the machine says. I don't know if that's correct or not. He's beating it. I don't know what he's beating, but he's beating it. Well, we're done here. I was off a little on the front and the back, he said, but we're good to roll now. I'm gonna be able to make all the darn money. It's pouring out. I called and they said that when he got a chance he would call me to weld my headache rack. I think I'm gonna go ahead and run to Walmart because I've got nothing to do till 4 o'clock today. Other than laundry, some more of that. Let me pull up this guy. The 9 o'clock appointment, he tried to beat me in. He just left his truck here. There we go. The detail shop just called me. I just started tearing my truck apart to clean everything up good. I gotta go around here to Bay 19. Bay 19. We got some good looking trucks on the yard this week. Whew, it's getting worse as the day goes on. All the rain's moved out. It is hot and humid out here, but we're in there. There's all my junk right there. Hopefully this won't take too long. I'll let Roxy sniff some rabbits. She ain't found one yet this trip, not even to taste. Well, he's gonna back this truck out and he wants me to back in. I got all my stuff laying down on the 4x4. Good enough. Back that thing up. guess I can show y'all what I'm having fixed. Y'all see how it's ripped out? I guess I need to take these bungees off. I'll go show you on this other side. Y'all see how that back is just ripped out back there? That's what we're getting done. Go, he's up there. Come on. No, come back, Nosy. He's getting it done, getting it done. I'm back in business. Well, it's my turn to go ahead and get all my stuff done. The guy, he hadn't come and got his truck out of Bay 25 yet. We're waiting on him, but he's working on what he can right now outside the bay. He's leaving at 6, so he's just going to tackle what he can. Oh, we can't go in there. They got the good grass in there. She said, I need to fertilize it for them. Yeah, you're in jail. You're locked out. Hello from Springfield still. It is Monday morning. I just went by the body shop and they're gonna go ahead and get me in this morning. I'm gonna take Roxy, put her in a hotel. Good morning from the campus inn. I forgot to bring my hair dryer. I look like a wet rat, but I don't care. I'm gonna go check on my truck. When I first talked to him, he said they could work it overnight, and so they had it yesterday morning. I went and looked at it, and they had the right fairing off of it. We'll go see. Hopefully I won't have to spend another night here. But if I gotta pay, I'm staying. When I went to pick my truck up, I had already paid for another day, and then I left, and then I got stuck sitting for 24 hours to wait on a load. Lesson learned right there. I hope my card works. It wasn't working. I hope I got it unlocked. It's broke. The lights ain't on. We are going up here to get coffee in the cafeteria and then catch the shuttle to the Millennium. That's the plan. Guess all of them are broke. That right there is our flatbed trailer. Y'all can see it over there that they had the students do the securement class with. That's it. Get the basics in anyways. Y'all, I'm gonna try and film it without them seeing me. I don't want to interrupt the class. Y'all see Fletcher over there? That's they're taking the Securement Class. Oh, those we'll all be new drivers out on the road next week. Could be in a day or two, could be as soon as tomorrow. But yep, I'll just go in here and take the long way. Ain't that cute? Y'all, I'll stand right here and video him. Maybe he won't see me. 246, that's a pretty good little class for securement. To get 6 in here upgrading at one time. If we're lucky, we'll keep 2 of them. All right, maybe we can see them working in a minute. Good morning from Springfield, Missouri. I'm down here at our new drop yard. They've got all these loaded up and ready for sale. I sent them some trailer numbers in. We don't know if they're good or not. The one I picked, it's not good. It's scheduled to go to the shop, so I sent him a bunch of numbers in, so he's got to pull them up to see if they're okay. And so now I wait. She's ready to go. They missed that on my truck, and they didn't do They were supposed to touch all these little nicks and dings up. They didn't do it. That's just another trip back, but that's okay. Maybe I'll get a discount.